Pala pag Instagram live. 0-0. Ayan, 3 viewers. We've been expecting you. We've been waiting for you. Ay, sila pala yung nag-wait sa atin. Sorry na. Hello.
Hello po.
Hello. Hi, Kriste. Hi, Rob Sales. Sorry, Sales. Kinza. Sound of Joy episodes. Hello. What's up? PUP's Canaries. Hello po, babalik po.
Hindi po kami nakamute. Hello po. Hi.
Hello. Hi from Hawaii.
Wow.
Aloha.
Hello po. It's surprise live.
Yes, our first
IG live.
Mm-mm.
Yay!
Wow.
Yes, so how are your New Year, guys? Kamusta po ang inyong mga holidays?
Yes, actually, since it's January 14, how is the new year going out for you so far?
Kamusta po kayo? Wow.
LA, lower
I love that. I love that. Kumusta po mga New Year nyo? And alam ko po nakakabalik lang po natin sa mga work or sa school. So, kumusta naman po ang inyong mga nafe-feel?
How is everybody? How are you guys?
Narinig niyo po ba kami?
Are we clear?
Ay, hinanet.
Internet?
Oh, no!
How's the internet? Okay lang ba? Okay, well, we will see. Oh, it's Miss Achi.
Gusto ko na po ng sem break. Ako din! Gusto ko din!
Damon, it used to be mahogany brown, but now it just turned into like a reddish or deep orange na. Yes.
Clear as heck. Nice!
Yes, as clear as your face.
Ayan.
Medyo mahina both. Okay, laksan
Okay.
natin ang boses natin!
Let's
go!
For yun.
Jinx.
Gusto lang po gusto lang po sana namin kumustahin ang inyong mga New Year or kung ano po yung mga nagawa nyo for this holiday bago po tayo mag-move for the next month.
Yung meron sa next month.
Yeah.
Ano meron next month?
Ano meron
Ano
next
ba yan?
month?
Ano ba yan? Di ko alam yan. You guys are the real art. Aw, thank you.
Aww. Pero yun, sana okay po yung naging New Year nyo and sa pagpapahinga nyo po bago po tayo pumasok sa mga kanya-kanya nating pasok. Yes. Okay lang po kami.
May salad pa rin ba kayo sa ref? Okay.
Actually, sa bahay namin sa Pampanga meron
Sa atin,
pa.
ubos na.
Sobrang tipid lang po talaga namin sa food. Kasi masarap. Gusto namin siyang tipirin. Parang gusto namin siya unti-untiin na maubos. Para hindi siya maubos agad. Ganun.
Pero yun, I know that, January pa tayo.
Yes.
Pero, medyo excited ako next month.
Oh, ano ba meron next month?
Di ko alam. Joke lang. The month of love.
Yes.
Dahil may Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Pag-usapan natin yan.
Yes. Actually, guys, alam nyo, since February, month of love, Valentine's month, ganyan. Actually, yung song namin na Like That, pwede nyo siyang i-dedicate sa kung sino man yung Valentine nyo for next month.
Tsaka yung may jowa na dyan, sana team song nyo na yung Like That, please.
Yes.
Sabihan nyo na lang. Pero, even if wala kang, jowa or any lover for Valentine's Day, okay lang yan.
Okay lang. Naghahanap ba kayo ng kadate? Naghahanap ba kayo ng kadate, Vigo? Saan pwede mag-date?
Hanap mo na ng BF. Kayo ang
Hanapin, actually guys, pwede kayo, malay nyo, yung mga kadate nyo nandyan lang nag-chat, ay nagko-comment, ganyan, no? Malay nyo, compatible pala kayo. Para tayong matchmaker tuloy.
Yeah, we are cupids.
We are
for,
cupids.
For you guys.
Ganun siya.
So, I wanna, I wanna ship people in the comments for Valentine's Day. If you guys don't have a lover, it's alright.
It's fine. You can.
We're gonna be the ones, having your own lovers in the comments. So, like for example, let's say, Gibby and CK,
Saan kayo?
or
Saan
or
kayo
Sound of
nag-meet?
Joy.
Sa live po
And-
ng YGIG. Tama yan.
Gibby. I ship you guys. And then, Sound of Joy, yeah, could be with, Tastes Like Soup. Joke lang, sa'yo, like, we go Armine. Sorry. I mean, YGIG. Pero medyo madami to. Sorry. And dyan, oy, nandito si Megan!
Pero yun nga yun, kailangan natin sila issue.
Eh.
We're going to be the matchmaker of this.
Eh, selosa ako. Paano ba yun?
Ay.
Okay, I ship Megan with...
Me!
Sabi mo!
Hi from upstairs! Pero ayun guys, actually, nakakatuwa lang na isipin na meron tayong month of love. No? Na that month is full of love, about just a love. And hindi lang siya like for a relationship and stuff. Pwede mo rin siyang i-dedicate sa love sa family, love for yourself, love for your friends. Kaya, sobrang broad ng love itself. Kasi, you can love the life, mga gano'n. You can love things na nagpapasaya sa'yo and such. Kaya, nakakatuwa lang na meron tayong month of love.
Although, despite it being the whole month of love, you gotta love everyone that you love all year round. But we just emphasize February for the month of love.
Yes, and you stream like that for love.
Stream like that.
Yes.
Sana I could hear
I-dedicate
everywhere.
nyo na, sige na guys, i-dedicate nyo na si like that to your someone or to your special someone, I guess.
But it is
Or
the
sa-
best friend mo. You like that.
Sa crush mo, ganon. Hala!
Aba, share ko
Sabi-
lang, guys. Nag-send ako sa kanya ng playlist na may like that. Oh.
Tama!
Good job.
Kasi actually guys, si like that, kaya din nabuo si like that is about siya sa sa pagbibigay ng affirmation na oh, you like that about that person, or yung sasabihin natin na kahit sobrang liit na bagay about dun sa person na yun, you still like that, you still love that, diba?
Exactly.
Yes, kaya nabuo si like that.
Ramakan. Natatawa ako. Okay lang yan.
Wrong account. Pero yun, guys. Di na change account.
We saw that. We all saw that. But pretend we didn't see it. So, ayan.
Pero yun, ang saya lang dun.
Mm-mm.
Ikaw ba? Actually, kung about naman sa sa Valentine's, sinong gusto mong maka-Valentine Day?
Valentine date? I feel
I mean,
like...
kahit sino.
Okay.
We're broad.
If I really have to think about my Valentine's date, I want it to be 80s Wheeling.
Why?
Because we resonate very well in terms of personality. He's noisy, I'm noisy. We get along with noisy.
Are you?
I'm very noisy. Especially around you guys. But around like a lot of other people, I'm very timid, I'm very swaggy. But when it comes to the girls, I feel like I'm gonna bite. Like, Pero ano,
So, kuwari, sige,
Valentine.
sige, kuwari mabigyan tayo ng chance na makadate mo si Uyo. Ano yung dream date scenario mo?
ang tamis naman. I feel like we both are very athletic people. So, feel ko we might watch a ball game together. Di ako marunong mag-baseball, pero for you, I will. I can. Ayun. Katelyn. Who's your dream Valentine?
Actually, nasa 80s lang din.
Oh my! Kasi 80 ni tayo.
Yeah, actually 80 po kami.
Mm-mm.
Pero yeah, si Yoonho, the boyfriends of all the boyfriend.
It's a very boyfriend material.
Totoo. Tapos alam mo yung, we're just walking around, having fun, cafe, pictures and stuff. Yung ganun lang.
Yeah, I feel like you guys would be the soft couple. You know, like very, very pure, very nice. Na couple.
Yeah.
And very tall. Very, like, skyscrapers.
Pero yun. Yes. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga may Valentines for this month, for the next month, sana po you're happy that someone.
And if you don't, I manifest all of the love that you guys deserve for your guys' selves, you know?
Yes, actually. Tatanungin namin kay Wigo kung maghahanap kayo ng ka-compatible nyo. Anong favorite nyo? Color. Malay nyo may makamatch kayo na favorite color nyo din dyan.
Mm-mm.
Fun.
We're making a whole like dating show within the comments. We'll read the comments. Drop your guys' favorite colors.
Yes, my favorite color is a lot.
A lot of colors, but your main color is pink, right?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Quick, drop your colors.
Yes. Green.
Ooh.
Very YG.
Natakot.
Ano ba yan? Grabe. Transparent. I love it. Good answer. What? Actually, naman when it comes to love, okay lang din yung mga, happy crush lang, ganyan, no? It's nice.
Leon's my happy crush.
Yummy. Mine is Yoonho. Hello po.
Hello.
Pero actually, siguro kung isipin natin yung mga dream dates. I mean, if ever man kung mangyari po sa amin. Actually, ang gusto ko, yung isang dream date ko yung romantic dinner, tapos sa terrace.
Ooh.
Parang nakikita mo yung outside view. Tapos
Yeah.
mahangin, gano'n.
And then you're wearing the most elegant dress.
Yes.
And it's nighttime. And then you
Yes.
see.
And
Which city ba or nature na view?
Feel ko kung elegant, feel ko dapat
City.
Yeah,
Ooh.
and you're having steak.
Sarap.
So I feel like gagawin ko na lang siya for myself.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, actually, guys, kahit wala kayong Valentine date, pwede nyo siyang gawin for yourself. Like, go out, have a date for yourself, dress nicely, pretty, gorgeous, and eat whatever you want. Like, you deserve nyo talagang gawin. You can do that for yourself.
Self-love.
Yes, you can do that. Kahit na Valentine's Day. Or even kahit hindi man Valentine's month. Kahit you can do it this month, today, anytime talaga. Pwede nyo yan. Pwede nyo siyang gawin talagang reward for yourself.
Exactly.
Diba?
There's actually international comments. here.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you
Hello
guys.
po.
I'm sorry that we're
Hi.
speaking mostly Tagalog, but
Yeah. We're actually po a Filipino na group.
Mm-mm.
Yes, I can buy myself flowers.
I'm actually planning on buying myself flowers.
Yeah, same.
You know, so I could feel
Ako
like
din.
I'm like rewarding myself with flowers. That feels
Yes.
nice.
Yung pupunta ka lang, sino nagbigay? Actually.
But I miss Wico's flowers the most.
Ooh.
Naalala ko dati.
Actually, no.
Mm-mm.
Pero papasok ka na, oh, you have flowers. Who gave it to you? Sasabihin natin, I bought it for myself.
Right.
Diba?
Mm-mm.
It's kind of nice.
That's a great feeling.
Nagutom din ako.
Actually,
Nagutom ako! Actually, magdi-dinner na, guys. So, you don't skip dinner. Suggest where to go sa 14.
in my opinion, I wouldn't go out because ang daming couples. No, joke lang.
Same!
I know for sure ang daming magde-date sa labas.
So,
Pero ano, I guess either way, you know, I remember this reminds me of like a memory I had dati. I went to Korea. I went to Seoul like back in 2017 and saktong-sakto on March 14, it was White Day, March 15 during the time. So I was like by myself and I went outside. Everyone were walking in pairs. And I was the only one like that's the odd one out like okay, I feel like I'm a sus person while everybody's like, you know, walking in pairs with flowers and everything. And then I shortly went back to my room because I could not handle it.
Next time, gawin mo, kuwari makita mo for mga couples, you just walk there and hold your own flowers.
Yeah, so I'll be like,
Yeah.
and I'll be like this while I'm walking on the street.
Yes. Actually.
Mm.
If ever na hindi pa kayo nakakaamin, stream like that!
Stream like that and then umamin na kayo.
Yes! Or kaya gamitin nyo si like that para umamin kayo.
Yeah.
Diba? Actually, nakakamiss nga yung mga ganong scenario nung high school. Like, hala, papapicture ka kay crush, ganon, diba?
And then you'll be like,
Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Diba? Nakakaloba. Nakakamiss din yung mga ganong scenario ng high school. Kasi uso yung mga puppy love, happy crush that time.
And then tinutulak ka na ng klase mo, papasok.
Picture ka na
Ano dyan is
diba?
crush?
Tapos
Grabe
nasa
na
hallway
hulog.
ka, biglang gaganon-ganon.
Oo.
Or makita mo siya.
Or kunwari, you're trying to get something from the other class, tapos sabi niya, ay, may kukunin lang po dito sa klase. And then you take a peek sa crush mo. Yee! Speaking from experience.
Yes. How about dub-dub? Ayun, pang pala. Pwede din.
Pwede din.
Kasi, actually, si dub-dub yung as in super kilig version. Tapos si like that yung ate version ni dub-dub. Kaya, di ba, may jailboot, tama. Nagja-jailboot pa nung una. Tapos may mga wedding boot na mga gano'n. Di ko na nanasan yun though. Kasi,
I remember wedding.
busy, alam ko busy ako sa sa mass demo namin. Kasi may dance.
She's locked in!
Yes, I'm locked in. Ganun kami,
You never got invited sa wedding booth?
No.
Never?
Never.
Hindi ko maalala yung sa akin. I don't remember if I went to a wedding booth dati sa high school.
Pero kasi sa school namin, hindi siya pwede.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, may certain restrictions sa mga booths. Siguro yun, yung jail booth, pwede. May mga ganun. Hello po! Or yun. Actually, dub-dub and like that, magandang gamiting song to confess to someone. Tapos biglang, ano si lyrics yun? Ganon.
Mash up! Oh, I hope somebody makes a doop-doop and like that, mash up.
Diba?
Ako na lang.
Diba?
Kaya pa rin ang aming universe.
Hanggang saan kaya ang aabuti nito madarama, abot pa sa mga bituin. I give you all my time. Send me a text, a call, a reply. Diba? Maganda siya, guys. Tapos sasayo na shaba-shaba.
Complete.
Tama. Kompleto na.
Actually, it comes from Shaba and then Dub and then like
Yes.
that. No?
Hindi, actually, si Dubdub muna. Kasi,
Dubdub.
di ba, si Dubdub is like, you're imagining, parang...
Encountering pala.
Yeah, parang nag-usap mo siya, pero hindi ka makalapit.
And then,
So ngayon, kailangan mo magsyaba-syaba. Kasi
Okay.
nga, it's a spell. It's a spell to get that guy.
You're
or
trying to
someone.
hypnotize the guy.
Yes.
Okay,
Kasi
you're trying to
mapapasakin ka nga, di ba?
Mm-mm.
And then, kung nakuha mo na siya, saan kayo mag-like that?
okay. Noted.
Yeah.
Like that.
Pag nireject,
Kanta na lang na where you at. Actually.
Tama! Pag where you at? Hindi.
Tapos nalaman na red flag pala, BB.
Hindi, pag ni-reject, tara, mag-chika-chika tayo para sa lahat ng mga small problems.
Okay.
Let's dance to chika-chika.
Yes.
Ni-reveal na ang trilogy lore.
Exactly.
Ano, yun pala yung lore. Ang galing.
You can make your own love story lore with all of our songs. Pag
Oh,
senti IDKY,
Oh.
tama.
I don't know why. Kaya pwede rin nga yung ano. Not the BB pa. Tapos ano talaga, pag wala na, where you at, where you at, where you at, where you at, where you at. Nakakalaw.
puso ng aking dala, simula, nang ika'y mawala.
Yung pala yun, pag nag-break.
Iba pala yan? O sige.
Ayoko na guys, wag na natin.
Crash out song ko, Shaba. Ini-mini, tas go.
I'm not a fool, ganun yun.
Ang gandang going background music ang Shaba pag nasa rage room ka.
Oo.
New fan here until now, shower music ko ang chika. Oh, wow!
Thank you.
Nice! Okay. Shower music?
Yeah.
When you sing in the shower.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ang cute naman.
That's cute.
Ayun guys. So, naraman nyo na yung lore. Tagawa-gawa namin. Or yeah, pwede nyo talagang gamitin si like that. Actually, ang dami pwedeng gawin na song for like that. Pwede din acoustic. Pwede din yung may special artist, no? Ganun. No? Lalo na since, diba, like that is kind of, it's a love song. Is it a love song?
Yes, technically a love song.
It's technically a love song. Pero pwede tayo mag-input ng isang guy para malaman natin yung point of view nung guy. Diba kasi yung
Ang cute ng idea.
diba kasi ang ginawa natin for like that, it's our point of view. So what if naman kung other person's point of view naman?
Yeah, that would be so cute.
Yeah, diba? Pwede yun. Pwede natin gawin yun. Sana nga yung mangyari. Let's see if mangyayari siya. Pero, tingnan natin.
Hello, when po kayo may mall show? Miss ko na mall shows niyo. Oo nga, mall shows please. Oh! Sige! Pagdibiyan namin si Tatang.
We'll see. Pero yun guys, it's actually, this live actually surprise live lang talaga. Surprise na short lang guys. Pero actually, okay ba sa inyo yung platform na IG live? Like, nagla-live din kami dito sa IG na surprise lang. Magugod na lang kayo, naka-on na pala yung live ng YGIG.
Yeah. What do you guys prefer?
Yeah.
IG or TikTok?
Or
Whenever we do
you
lives?
prefer both then?
IG or TikTok? 6, 7. Movie. IG. Yes, mama, damn. Yes, anywhere.
Anywhere.
I
both.
noticed din na medyo delayed ang comments sa IG compared to TikTok.
Okay. So, I think we can try. Parang okay din na itry din natin na mag-IG live din. No? Actually guys, kukunin na namin lahat ng social media.
Yes, we'll try everything, whatever actually is.
Makikita nyo na kami.
You're right.
Everywhere.
Mm-mm.
Anywhere, in everywhere.
Right.
Ayun guys, actually, kailangan na po namin umalis kasi aalis pa po kami. May mga pupuntahan pa po kami. Sadly.
So, I'm sorry that this live has to be a little bit short.
Yeah.
Pero, babawi naman kami.
Yeah, babawi po kami. So, abangan nyo na lang po lahat ng updates namin. Malay nyo, may makita na kayong live ulit.
Mga pauwi na from worker school, ingat.
Yes,
And Sarah,
ingat po
ingat.
kayo. Ingat po.
Pero para mas okay yung TikTok na Pam6 sa watches.
Oh,
okay,
we'll
okay.
consider po. So, thank you guys for spending time with us. So, we will see you soon. Mag-iingat po sa mga pauwi na kasi kami rin po uuwi na din.
Yes.
Yeah, so enjoy po your time with your family and friends. Enjoy your time for yourself. And have a nice dinner for today.
Imoto! Hi, Imoto! Sakura! I miss you! Anyway, but yes.
See you soon, guys.
I'm sorry we had to end the live early.
Yes.
Bawi!
Bye-bye. Babawi po kami. Bye-bye. Magbuk ka na.
Magbuk na.
Magbuk ka na.